island as well. We've got our big sweepstakes today. Somebody here is going to win the opportunity to watch the race from the pit with the team. That is huge. All you need to do is enter your tickets into the front welcome center. The way you get your tickets is right here at the Ducati shop. For every item that you purchase, you'll get one ticket. Increase your chances for every single item. So no matter how big or small, you'll still get a ticket. Drop those tickets in over at the welcome center, and that's the luck to you. We've also got some fashion shows happening here on the island, and the Make-A-Wish Foundation Talent Auction is going on right now. That'll close up today as well. So get those bids in, dig deep into those wallets. There's some really cool stuff over there, including a lot of signed gear by both Nikki and Valentino over there. So be sure to check that out. And as always, tons of photo opportunities here on the island. Be sure to upload those photos to Instagram or Twitter, hashtag Ducati Island. My name is DJ Hoppa, and we're literally just getting started this morning. Thank you for joining us. It'll be a hell of a day.